The wig that we are installing today is from Nadula Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. This is the wig. So this is a 24-inch balayage highlight wig, Jerry curly, and I believe it's 180 density. If I'm lying, you'll see the correction on the screen. But this is what the wig looks like from the back. These are all of the highlights. Now, I want you to ignore the front. It looks frizzy because I plucked the hairline and I didn't like comb the hair out because I didn't want to do it while it was dry because I thought it was gonna like mess it up, which it does. So ignore that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It is a frontal wig. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with 2 combs on the sides, a comb at the bottom, and then just your lace at the bottom here. So it's like your typical 13x4 constructed wig. In the box from Nadula, they send you a little gift bag that comes with a wig cap, some eyelashes, and a wig band. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Per usual, you know the drill. We already have the wig cap installed because we were saving time. So I'm just going to, of course, take my cream makeup from, why is it not focusing? My cream makeup black opal that I got from Wall in March. My flat top brush. We're gonna swirl it around super hard because as you can see, I am hitting pan. There's nothing left. So I have to literally dig in the edges, which is embarrassing. And I'm just going to put this all over the wig cap. We got this. Next thing, of course, is we're taking our lace in tint and coloring the inside of the wig. You see, that color is a lot better. And we are going to cut this lace off because I don't use it. Woo, okay. And now it's time to slide the wig on my head. Oof. All right. And now it's time to cut this lace. That already fit. Perfect. Okay, and of course now I'm taking my glue. I got this glue from a wig dealer. Got this glue from a wig dealer. And I start by putting little dots around my forehead. So now I'm gonna pull this forward and melt it with that glue. On this side. Now I'm going to take my water and I'm going to take my curling cream. And we are going to do something with these curls because we're going to do something with these curls. So and finally, it is time to cut off this lace. Now I'm going to do my edges. So see, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like you see, I can never glue this part of wigs down because my sideburns are long and I refuse to cut my sideburns to like here. Even though I could, I absolutely refuse. But I just always go through or go back with that wig bond spray and just spray right there, and it holds. It lasts, so it's fine. So now it's time to take this off. Whee! That looks so good. So this is the finished look when it's like down, but it's still wet right now, of course. So I'm trying to get into like this color. Like look at how the highlights are like strategically placed. I like when they put highlights like by your ear. So if you're one of the girls that like to put hair behind their ear like I do, you get that like pop of color right here, like that peekaboo color. And then you also have some near like the front right here. And this is what it looks like wet, like saturated, but so it's gonna look a little bit different when it dries. This is cute. Now I'm just gonna try a couple of other hairstyles besides leaving it down, because curly hair is so fun. You can really do so much with it. So definitely just want to try something else. So let's get into it. So this first style is just a basic high ponytail, but I don't want to say basic because it's actually cute, especially since the hair is curly. So I'm just going to flip my hair upside down, and then I'm just taking out like a couple of pieces like on the sides and at the back to like cover the wig in the back, because I didn't sew down the back at all. So if you like fluff it out in the back, you won't see where the wig ends or anything like that. So that's all I'm doing, and just making it look cute. And this is the finished look. Ooh, I think it's really, really cute. This is actually one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to take that same ponytail and just put my hair up into a high bun. Just something short and simple, especially since it's like now summertime and it's super hot, especially where I'm at. So can never go wrong with this, and just with the same little like pieces hanging down. It's really, really cute. So this next style is an old familiar favorite. It's just a half up, half down with the curly pieces hanging down in the front. But when you do it with like curly hair, it makes it look extra cute in my opinion. I don't know, I feel like curly hair, like different hairstyles with curly hair just makes like different hairstyles. There we go, that's what I meant to say. Curly hair makes different hairstyles just look different and like elevated, and just, you know, different than it would if it was like just straight hair. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. It's just putting my hair half up, half down, and taking out two little pieces for the bang in the front. So for this next style, I decided I wanted to try something like a little bit different, completely different. I may have overshoot my shot a little bit there. I was calling myself putting a braid in the front, and then I remembered, Deanna, you can't braid. So it may have taken 1, 3, or 5 tries to get this right. But you know, a little bit of perseverance goes a very long way, because I eventually was able to get it to work out. Something like that. It may not be the best braid. It's definitely not the best braid, but it's braid-esque. You get the vibe, okay? So after I did the braid, I wore it 2 different ways. One way down with the braid, which I thought was cute. You know, just have like a little braid in the front and wear the hair, and it's like natural curls. And then, of course, had to go to my favorite, my go-to, the half up, half down with the braid, because I thought that was cute as well. But I spiced it up. I didn't just do a regular half up, half down. I used the claw clip, because
the claw clip is just an iconic staple. And also, it was a lot faster and easier than trying to put it into another ponytail because I really didn't feel like it. So, yep, this is the final look. But yeah, that's it for this video. You saw me install a wig. You saw me style the hair 6 different ways. Now it's time to go home because your girl is tired. But yeah, anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Adios. Till next time.